What's up, folks? Justin Phillip here from Dog Times Productions, and today we're going to be taking a look at a hot and little new product, what may just look like your average monitor holder, but could provide you guys with a little bit more flexibility out there on the field. Alright, so if you're new to this channel, this is where I share my experiences and tips and tricks that I learn along the way working as a full-time cinematographer right here in Los Angeles, California. Let's take a look at this new monitor holder. Alright, so this little product right here is from a company called Vikerer. They make a few camera products, but not a lot. Now, as you'll see, this is just what would appear to be your normal average monitor holder right off the bat, but there is some little hidden capabilities of this little guy. Now, this thing is rated to hold the bigger monitors like the Inferno and the big yellow one that Atomos makes. You know, all the big, heavy 7-inch monitors. But I only have the little Shinobi, so it's fine. Okay, so once both of these are attached like that, now that it's on there, you can see that, oh yeah, you know, it works off of tension and it stays there pretty good. I mean, actually really good. I mean, it's firm as a rock. And so that's pretty cool, you know. I mean, there's a lot of capabilities that you can do with this. And it's good for you guys that are just kind of rocking more minimal cages. For if you don't have NATO rails and you're just working off of cold shoes, then this can just screw into your cold shoe mount there. And it is really good construction. And there you see. Now, if you compare this to my small rig, I don't want to take my small rig one off of because I have a shoot today, so I'm leaving my small rig on here. I've shown this quite a bit though, guys. This is the one that small rig makes. It's pretty much the same thing, except that it's a NATO on the end. So it has a locking NATO, whereas this is just for cold shoes. With my setup, I do use this all the time because I have a lot of NATO stuff. If you guys know all my small rig videos, you know that. But also here is pretty normal sized Allen key, and you can loosen or tighten the tension yourself as you'd like. And that way, if you like it a little more loose or a little more stiff, I keep mine pretty stiff. However, this one did not come with an Allen key, so it was a little concerning. And then when I tried to adjust the tension with the Allen keys that I had, it started to strip out a little bit. So that is a little concerning about how much tension there is and the fact that I don't have a way to adjust the tension. So I think if they want to keep rolling these out, I would suggest adding in the key that comes with this, because some people like it to, you know, I like to adjust the tension myself. Whereas where it stands right now, it's super, super tight. Let me throw this on my camera real quick. You can see how quick it is. I mean, it's super quick to add it anywhere, you know. Now you have it on there and, well, yeah, it's movable. And I would imagine over time that this will loosen up. They emailed me a manual on it that said, you know, once both pieces are attached, meaning, you know, wherever the cold shoe is and whatever you're going to put on here, probably a monitor, it just said that this is tightened at the factory and this is just kind of, I read it as this is the tension that you get. So it is what it is. I mean, but if you're looking for something, another thing is that this is still turnable, so you can completely whip this around, which is cool. But yeah, you can spin it around. That's a cool feature. You know, I'm big into things like this where you can spin it, you can move it, you know, and it's all super quick. So I would say if you're looking to get something like this, I'm going to put a link to it down in the description below. I'll probably also throw it in my kit bag just so it's in there, because this is useful to have, you know. It's good to have another one of these. So yeah, if you're rocking a lot of cold shoes and you have room for one of these, I would check these out. The Vikerer or Vikerer, I'm not sure how to say it. I'm going to go with Vikerer. I like the way that sounds. But maybe it's pronounced a little differently. But yeah, check it out. It's fairly inexpensive, and yeah, this is pretty good to rock, actually. This is pretty good. The tension is just a little concerning to me. That's the only thing that I would say, I wish I was able to adjust the tension myself without looking like I'm about to strip the little bolt here. But maybe that's just the product that I got. Maybe that's just the one I got. I personally wasn't able to adjust the tension on this. I don't know if that's something that they're going to work on over time, or, you know, if they're just going to leave it as is. Reading off the manual, it just seems like this is what you get. which I guess is fine. It's just a little concerning to me that if over time this is gonna loosen up. So it would be nice to throw in the key that goes with this. That way, we don't run into problems of stripping it out. So, when it starts loosening up, there is a way to tighten it. Now I have all the keys. I'm sure I have one that fits in here, but I just, once I saw that I started like stripping it out somehow, I just like stopped trying the keys that I had, the Allen keys. So I would suggest just throwing in that in the box because people will want to, adjust this over time. I would say just throw that key in there so we can adjust the tension ourselves. If that's not an option, that's a bummer because I would imagine this thing is going to loosen over time, especially someone like me. I shoot every day. I'm out in the field every day. So this is, this is definitely going to, this is definitely going to loosen up. I know it is right off the gate. But other than that, it's a cool little product, I like the quickness of it, and it is a really strong build. There's no plastic on this whatsoever. I'm a big fan of that. I hate plastic, especially when it comes to your camera gear. I don't like plastic stuff. The only little plastic thing that may be in there is whatever this little rubber piece is, that's a cool new thing. I really like the rubber that's in here because it's not your normal just black rubber that just falls apart and falls off. This is like integrated into the metal and it's pretty nice. It's very well built. I will give them that. It's very, very well built. So yeah, check it out. Camera hot shoe mount adapter monitor holder compatible with Atomos, Ninja Inferno, Shogun. Yeah, that's the name of it. Camera hot shoe mount adapter monitor holder compatible with Atomos, Ninja Inferno, Shogun. I think they're just letting you know that it's compatible with all monitors, and those are kind of the biggest ones. Biggest and heaviest ones, definitely the Shogun Inferno is a huge heavy monitor. And this thing's very durable. It's gonna hold it for sure, and it's cool that you can tilt the big monitor like that. So yeah, there it is, the Vikerer tiltable monitor holder. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I guess that's it. Hey, you should hit that subscribe button. Yeah, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell too. Hey, hit that thumbs up, hit the thumbs down. I don't know. After you do that, go mow your lawn, do your dishes, help humanity. Call your mom. Call your mom.